Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Kevin Tate. I am the Service and Inventory Manager of the Northeast region with Donastar Enterprises, and today we'll be getting into some troubleshooting and repair procedures on commercial beverage equipment. Hope you enjoy the video. Hello, and today we're going to go over the Lancer rear block assembly. Just a little breakdown of some of the components of the block assembly. This block assembly, sometimes you'll run into leaks, and this is where, in this still picture right here, you can see I've removed the block cover on the bottom, and you can see the two blue seals on the left and right side. You just remove the 3 screws, and then you can remove the plate, and then you can go ahead and pull out the blue seals, and you'll want to replace those seals with new ones. Usually these should be done every PM, so every 6 months or so. It's a good thing to always change those out, because you will end up having a certain amount of leaks from these rear blocks sometimes, and usually it comes from that point where the blue seals are at, unless you have a crack in the block body or something like that. But other than that, you'll want to break it down that way and replace those blue seals, and then you'll want to move to the top portion of the rear block where your syrup and water shutoffs are at. And what we're going to do is we usually will remove those 2 plungers. You can turn them to the off position, and then you'll be able to slide them right up and out, and then you'll be able to see that there is 2 O-rings on those plungers, and you'll want to pull those plungers all the way out. Let them soak in, or rinse them off in some sanitizer, and remove the old O-rings and replace them with new O-rings. In this picture you can see I have everything laid out, and you can see the O-rings on the plungers, and those have been replaced. And then I'll go in from there and reassemble everything once I replace all of the seals. So you have 2 blue seals, and you have 2 black O-rings, 1 on each side of the valve block. And then you can go on from there and reassemble the block completely and mount it back onto the fountain machine once it's reassembled, and then you can mount the dispense valve into the rear block and secure it. Thank you for joining us and watching the video. We appreciate your support. If you need to contact us for any information as far as equipment and service or water filtration packages that we may have available, you can contact us at www.donastar.com, or you can call us at 833-366-2782. Thanks again. Take care and stay well.